Hello friends, welcome back to my channel MediStuff. Today's video is about the low-dose steroid treatment dexamethasone, which is a major breakthrough in the fight against the deadly coronavirus. This is the first treatment to be shown to reduce mortality in patients with COVID-19 requiring oxygen or ventilator support. Please watch the full video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for latest updates. The low-dose steroid treatment dexamethasone is a major breakthrough in the fight against the deadly virus, UK experts say. It cut the risk of death by a third for patients on ventilators. For those on oxygen, it cut deaths by a fifth. In the trial led by a team from Oxford University, about 2,000 hospital patients were given dexamethasone and compared with more than 4,000 who were not. For patients on ventilators, it cut the risk of death from 40% to 28%. For patients needing oxygen, it cut the risk of death from 25% to 20%. Dexamethasone is a generic steroid widely used in other diseases to reduce inflammation. The drug helps stop some of the damage that can happen when the body's immune system goes into overdrive as it tries to fight off coronavirus. What is the price of dexamethasone? In the US, the average retail price is under $50, while in the UK, it costs about €5. There is a clear benefit. The treatment is up to 10 days of dexamethasone and it costs about €5 per patient. So essentially it costs €35 to save a life. This is a drug that is globally available. The steroid medicine has been available as a generic for decades. It is used to treat a range of diseases including rheumatism, asthma, allergies and even to help cancer patients better handle the nausea triggered by chemotherapy. Steroid drugs reduce inflammation, which sometimes develops in COVID-19 patients as the immune system overreacts to fight the infection. This overreaction can prove fatal, so doctors have been testing steroids and other anti-inflammatory drugs in such patients. Chief Medical Officer for England, Professor Chris Whitty said it would save lives around the world. About 19 out of 20 patients with coronavirus recover without being admitted to hospital. Of those who are admitted, most also recover, but some may need oxygen for mechanical ventilation. And these are the high-risk patients dexamethasone appears to help. The World Health Organization has hailed dexamethasone as a life-saving scientific breakthrough to treat severely ill coronavirus patients. Initial clinical trial results in UK shows dexamethasone, a steroid, can be life-saving for patients who are critically ill with COVID-19. This is the first treatment to be shown to reduce mortality in patients with COVID-19 requiring oxygen or ventilator support.